Hello, good afternoon, how are you? This is Veronica Pacheda, Master of Skyward Community and Financial Advisor. And in this afternoon, with this short and clear recording, I want to show you and tell you why it is important that you take advantage of the current promotion, very recently announced by the company SWC Mobile. I'm going to tell you that when you log into your account, you will be able to view this flyer, where it tells you, it asks you to install the mobile application SWC Mobile, and you also complete some tasks within these 5 weeks that the SWC Mobile offer will be valid, and after completing the tasks, you will be able to access the promotion of the packages with a very high discount. I will show you below. When you click here, for example, in the blue button, More Details, you will be able to show what are the tasks that you are going to be able to do to be able to access this promotion. Well, here you can see that as soon as we enter the More Details button, we can see that it shows us several tasks to be completed in this period of time, that the offer is going to be valid. It is SWC Mobile, so that we can take advantage of the packages with the highest possible discount. At the beginning of this week you will have to complete some tasks. For example, the first thing you have to do is install the mobile app from your phone, from your app store. For example, if you have an Android system, you will be able to download it from here, from Google Play. Or if you have an iOS system, you will be able to download it from your app store. And then, once you download the application on your mobile device, you will be able to access your account through your computer, through the browser too, so that you can activate the push notifications. And then you will be able to click on the button that will appear here on this side, so you can receive the prizes. At the beginning of this week, you will have the chance to win 2 prizes: Anatoly Yunitsky's book, The Engineer, and the access to the SWC Mobile promotion packages that I am going to show you now. This is the only thing you have to do at the moment now to be able to have access to the SWC Mobile promotion. Well, then we are going to come back here because I am going to show you what is the main prize of this promotion. Very well. Once you access the button to download the prizes you have won in this first week, you will be able to see that you will have the flyer active with the possibility to invest with the flyer of the SWC Mobile promotion packages. When you click on the Invest button, and here it shows you a countdown of the validity that you will have to be able to choose this promotion and acquire, with the highest possible discount, more investments for your portfolio. And so in this way you will be able to visualize the 2 options, that is, the 2 payment modalities that you will have access through the SWC Mobile promotion. You will be able to choose packages in a single payment. You will have 3 options. For example, with the SWC Mobile 250 package you will be able to choose 750 participations with a 75% discount. Yes, in the second option you will be able to acquire with $500 of a single payment. You will be able to acquire 500 participations. With the 75% discount, and in the third option with the SWC Mobile package with $1,000 of a single payment, you will be able to acquire 75,000 participations with the 75% discount. And if you click here on the button of the payment mode to deadlines in 5 months, you will be able to have the 3 options, but you will be able to finance it in 5 months, and this is really wonderful. Look, with the option of SWC Mobile 1000 you will be able to acquire and finance it in 5 monthly fees of $200 with the 70% discount. You will be able to acquire 70,000 participations with the SWC Mobile 500 package. You will be able to acquire in 5 monthly fees of 100. You will be able to acquire 35,000 participations with the 70% discount, and for example with the SWC Mobile 250 package you will be able to acquire in 5 monthly fees of $50. 17,500 participations with the 70% discount again. Really, this is something wonderful, and now I want to show you what is the main prize object of this promotion so that you have it in account also, and you can reserve it. Once you complete the 5-week promotion tasks for SWC Mobile and choose at least one package, now you will be able to purchase only one package at a time. But after you have completed the 5-week tasks, unlimited access will be enabled so that you can choose the number of packages you want, maintaining the discount benefit until the end of stage 15. And this is really wonderful because you will have the possibility to choose with the 70 or 75% discount. This type of packages within this promotion even if you choose a package. And besides that, we don't stop there with everything, but you will also have the possibility to book a space to visit our USK Center in the United Arab Emirates. In addition to this, what will be inside the coverage of this prize? You will have the transfer from the Dubai subway station, you will have a tour of our USK Center, you will also be able to visit our Eco House, you will have a trip, for example, in one of the types of passenger transport, you will also have the possibility of winning some souvenirs, some gifts from UST and SWC, and you will also have the possibility of generating a photo and a professional video. It is important that you keep in mind that the exact date of the visit will be announced after the end of the promotion period, and for example, the cost of the trip, lodging and meals run on your account, so that you keep it in mind. But there is something more important that I want to mention to you, because it is important that you can choose the EWC promotion today, and do not miss it. There are some packages, we also have a possibility to go out of this offer, that is, throughout the year we have vigilance so that you can acquire, for example, with the same amount, this amount of participations, for example. Te cuento. With $1,000 outside of this offer, you can only acquire 23,000 participations. With $500 you can only acquire 10,500 participations, and with $250 you can only acquire 4,250 participations. Of course, financed in 5 months of $200, $100 and $50 with 23, 21 and 17% discount respectively. So I invite you to take quick action. Take advantage of the SWC Mobile promotion now. Download the application. Activate the notifications. And even if it is, reserve your place with this promotion with a single package, even if it is. Do not miss this opportunity. Veronica Pacheta greets you from Mexico. I send you a huge hug. Bye bye, I'll be waiting for you through WhatsApp so I can help you and guide you better. Bye bye.